Is it working? Hello? Wait. Oh. Okay, there we go. Hi, everyone. Ignore the stuff you just saw me cycle through. I know it's kind of weird to make 3 videos in one day, but I don't know, I'm really hyper right now. And I found a way to fix my microphone and make it louder, because I had to turn my computer volume up to 100 to hear myself. So, this should be a little better. Let me check the OBS little... Oh, that's too much audio. Okay, I'll turn it down next time. But just know that I actually could have just, like... Isn't there one of those little things you can do where you type and then it is a little message thingy, but... I'm not very good at explaining things, as you can tell. Have a good day. And maybe I'll stream tomorrow. Probably? Maybe? I don't have enough viewers for that to matter. I'm just gonna make a normal video. Have a good day, everybody. Goodbye.